When it comes to digitizing your business, you need a consulting firm that truly understands your industry and the specific challenges your business faces. We at Winspire Solutions deliver tangible business outcomes. We offer a unique blend of industry domain expertise, cutting edge technologies, and excellent change management skills to deliver comprehensive industry specific solutions.
Our core platform is Microsoft Dynamics 365 ERP. Our solutions encompass business intelligence, CRM, artificial intelligence, robotic process automation, e-commerce, mobile apps, integrations with ecosystem partners like customers, vendors, banks, government bodies, and marketplaces like Amazon, Lazada, Shopee, and Shopify. Your business is unique, and we make it our priority to listen, understand, and align our solutions with your challenges, goals, and vision.
Our team of experts leverage their deep industry knowledge and technical proficiency to deliver holistic solutions focusing on various sectors: distribution and wholesale, food and beverage, retail, equipment rental, manufacturing, and project industries. For every sector, we have developed tailored solutions based on Microsoft Dynamics 365 ERP, meticulously designed to meet your industry-specific requirements, and these seamlessly integrate with other Microsoft technologies.
With 400 plus projects delivered successfully across various industries and in more than 25 countries, our extensive experience will make a positive impact on your business.
We are committed to your success, and our dedication extends beyond implementation. Once your solution is operational, we provide ongoing application maintenance, upgrades, license renewals, and enhancement services.
Connect with us today. Winspire Solutions, your trusted partner for enterprise solutions, where your success is our success.